Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 2, and I went ahead and rewrote this this equation down here below so we can work with it. It says solve 5s equals negative 18. Try to remember that when I have a coefficient, which is what this number 5 is, it's called the coefficient, right next to a variable, that operation that is going on between the two is multiplication. And in order to undo or do the opposite of multiplication, in order to get the s by itself, is division. So I am going to go ahead and divide both sides by 5 because that is what's attached to my variable. And that is what I'm trying to get rid of. 5 divided by 5 is a fancy form of 1, which is what I want, 1s. Oh boy, we're getting nervous here, I can tell. A negative divided by a positive is a negative, and here's where the nerves lie. 5 does not go into 18 perfectly well, but let's talk about, this should be an 18, sorry about that. Let's talk about how it does go into the number 18. 5 goes into 18 3 times, and if you remember your long division, which maybe some of you don't, I'm going to go ahead and subtract these. I get 3. I have to add a 0, bring down that 0, and 5 goes into 36 times. So my answer is 3.6, but wait a minute. This is a fraction. So if you want to, you can just say 5 goes into 18 3 times with 3 left over, and the denominator stays the same. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So there's my answer right there. Don't let the fraction scare you. Good luck.